Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to use Excel hyperlink. So after this tutorial, you do not face any challenges to use hyperlink, right? So let me open another sheet. So basically what is hyperlink? So hyperlink suppose we have any website, right? We have a web link for that particular website. And if I want to open it using Excel file, what can I do then? I can simply use that hyperlink in my Excel file and directly I would be able to open it using Excel and directly that link will open. Suppose I want to open any text file, video file, audio file which is in my system, but it is in a different location. So in order to open it, what can I do? That I can just create some hyperlink and I can connect that hyperlink, that particular file, video, audio, any kind of file, and I can directly open it using Excel. So in this example, I will show you that. So suppose this is my text file over here. I want to open it using hyperlink, right? So what I need to do, we have multiple options over here in ribbon panel, home, insert, page layout. So you just need to go to the insert panel, and here we have the hyperlink, right? You only just need to understand that there are multiple options over here, but you just only need to go to, because you are inserting something, then you need to go to the insert panel, and here we have the hyperlink option over here. Maybe you are using another version of Excel like 2013, 16, 19, 4, and Office 365 might be. So maybe you will not be able to see this kind of icon, but only you just need to find out the hyperlink option over here, right? If you will click over here, then you will see these options like current folder, browser page, recent files, address, bookmark, and something like that. And in this particular task, what we need to do, we need to open a text file which is in my local desktop. I want to connect it using hyperlink. I want to connect it using hyperlink. So here we have an option that is called the browse for the file. Simply click over here, then click on the desktop. Suppose you will not be able to find out all the files, then just click on this drop down and select all the files. So just click this text file and click OK. And then again click OK. Now you can see that hyperlink has been created over here. And if you simply click over here in this particular link, then now you would be able to open that file, right? And you can see that the path of that particular text file has been created over here. Suppose you want to change this text. You want to just create a short name for that file. So what you need to do, you do not have to click over here then. You simply need to right click over here, then click on the edit hyperlink. So here you can see the address of that file. This is the complete address. And here we have another option that is called text to display. So in text to display, what we can do, we can give it a name like text file, and then click OK. So now you can see that that particular text has been. Now we have a short name of that file. If I'll just click over here, now still we would be able to open it. Right. Suppose okay. Let's observe one more thing, that if I'm just hovering my mouse on that hyperlink, in below of that hyperlink you can see that entire file location. Right. Suppose you also want to change it, simply right click over here, click on the edit hyperlink. Then here we have screen tip option. Just click over there, and whatever the custom name you want to give, like I just want to give that text file display, right? Whatever name you want to give, you can give it and click OK. Then again click OK. Then hover your mouse, then now you can see that text file display. Now if some other person is using this file, then they will not be able to see this what is the entire path of this file. They will see this text file display tooltip only, right? So now what if we want to just use this, we do not want any, suppose we want to insert a shape for the hyperlink. Suppose I want to add same file into this this shape. I want to just add the hyperlink in this shape. So what we can do for that, simply click this file, go to the edit insert panel, then click on the hyperlink. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to select this shape, right? Then you need to go to the insert. It should not be like that you have just created the this and now your cursor, you have selected this cell and you want to just insert a hyperlink. Hyperlink will automatically will create over here. So if you want to add hyperlink on this shape, first of all you need to just select this shape, then go to the insert panel, then click on the hyperlink, then simply same thing you need to repeat. You need to click on the browse for the file, click on the all files, go to the desktop, click on the text, and that's it. Click OK, right? And just click over here. Now you would be able to open this text file. And if you want to change the name of that, you can just simply go here and text file. You can give it a name like text file. And similar manner, if you want to change the tip of screen tip of that, then right click over here, then click on the edit hyperlink, go to the screen tip, and you can type here like shape hyperlink. Whatever name you want to give, you can just give over here, click OK. And if you will hover your mouse over here, then you can say, see here that shape hyperlink, right? So apart from that, we have a function called hyperlink as well. So if you want to use hyperlink function, so click over here, hyperlink, 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 right? This is the options we have for, this is the formula basically. So first criteria is location and second one is a friendly name. So right now it is asking from the location. So how can we give the location of that file? Suppose this file is, right now it is in my system. Then press shift and right click. Once you please, suppose don't press right click over here. First of all, you need to press shift, then right click of the mouse. Then you would be able to see this option, copy as a path. Simply copy it, go to the Excel file and then paste it. Now you can see that entire location of that file, and you also need to understand that it should be in a double quote. And if you will this functionality like shift and right click, automatically this double quote will be included over here. Then you need to give a comma. Then it is asking from the friendly name. So I just want to give it like inside double quote, I can say custom text file, custom formula. So now you can see that this is the option of that. So this hyperlink is created. If I'll open it, then we would be able to see that I would be able to open that text file as well. So we can use this functionality as well. We can, instead of using this insert hyperlink, we can use the formula as well, right? And if you want to give a similar kind of thing, you can also do over here. Like if you want to change the screen tip, then what you can do, right click over here. Okay, insert, I think you remove hyperlink. Okay, I think we are not getting this option over here. Okay, let me check it one more time. Okay, here we are not getting the edit hyperlink option, but if we are using using an insert option, then we would be able to see that edit hyperlink option. If we are applying it using formula, then we will not be able to see the edit hyperlink option because we have used a hyperlink formula that is hard coded. That is why we are not able to see that. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you will apply formula, but this insert option is better than this, right? Because you can just add it as well. Maybe it could be happen that I'm not able to use this option in this particular version because I'm using of 2007 Excel, I think, right? So right now we would be able to create the hyperlink. So one more thing I want to tell you, right now I have used only text file, right? So if you want to open the PDF file, if you want to open any video file, audio file, any kind of file, you can connect it using hyperlink option. So another thing what you can do that, suppose here we have 3 and 4 sheets we have like, like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So we can create hyperlink in this sheet as well, right? If you will click on the sheet 1, then sheet 1 will be open. If you will click on the sheet 3, sheet 3 will be open. If you will click on the sheet 4, then sheet 4 will be open. So how can we create this kind of option? So for that, what you need to do, suppose this is a sheet 3, right? I will type here like sheet 3. This is my sheet 3, and this is my main sheet. I want to create a hyperlink. Once I will click on that hyperlink, that automatically this sheet will open. For that, what I need to do, I need to go to the insert part, then I need to go to the hyperlink option. So right now you can see that we have options like current folder. Now we have browse pages, recent files, create new, place in this document. So you just need to click on this place in document. So once you will click over here, so you know that you have only 4 files over here. Then all the sheets name would be automatically reflect over here. And this is the cell reference. So once you will click on that hyperlink, then which cell will be automatically highlighted or selected, right? So in this particular option, I want to click on the sheet 3, then click OK. So now you can see that sheet 3 hyperlink has been created over here. So now we would be able to create a hyperlink in the same sheet as well. If I'll click over here, now you can see that A1 is highlighted, this cell is selected, and we would be able to open the sheet 3. Similar manner, if we want to open the sheet 4, so what I need to do, go to the insert panel, go to the hyperlink, so place in this document sheet 4, okay. So click over here. Now you can see that sheet 4 is selected. So in this manner you can create multiple hyperlink option, right? So I think you would be able to understand that how can we use hyperlink in a same sheet, how can we open the different files using hyperlink. And even in this tutorial I have also shown you the one example of how can we manually create the hyperlink. I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.